think the reason सबको movie type लगा is because the story, the script we had is for a movie.
Yeah.
And then उसको short out करके उसका कम करके we made it into a music video.
Yeah.
So I think that is the reason it looks so grand and cinematic.
That's how they made it actually.
And honestly, like we didn't plan part 2. So Fitur was supposed to end at that cliff note. Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to papermoon.com. I'm Rashida Sahani, and today joining me for a super interesting conversation are Romeo and Kamya, who recently impressed all of us with their Fitur. Hi you guys, how have you been?
Hello.
Hi.
Good. Thank you so much for having us here, first of all.
Yeah, we've been great and enjoying our audience's love. That's all we can say. I mean, yeah, hai na?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
We are very happy to be here today with you and our people.
Oh, my pleasure. But I have to start off by saying when I watched Tera Fitur, I really wanted to know what happens next and kya hua, what did this just happen? And then it's like a movie, you watch it and then you're like, agar pata hai ki part 2 aane wala, you are like, shit, jaldi aa jaiye. So it was like that for me. And then I watched Deewana and I was like, wow, this is something else. So, you guys have like shown us sort of a film in like 10 to 12 minutes, including both the songs I'm saying.
The songs, yeah.
So so you tell me, you guys tell me, how was it, your entire
experience? Even you know what, my reaction was the same as yours when I heard the story for the first time. I was like, okay, are you guys making a movie? Like, is it like some short film or what? So sabne kaha ki nahi, we are like doing that only, but in a song basically. It's like, hai na?
Yeah, and I think the reason sabko movie type laga is because the story, the script we had is for a movie. And then usko short out karke, uska kam karke, we made it into a music video.
Yeah.
So I think that is the reason it looks so grand and cinematic.
That's how they made it actually.
And honestly, like we didn't plan part 2. So Fitur was supposed to end at that cliff note. Yeah.
Oh, thank God you guys did part 2. No, because I was going through a few comments also on the first one, Fitur one, and they were like, Acha, abhi kya? When the second part had not released, okay, what happens next? And what happens to the girl? And has she left acting? They have started assuming all of these things themselves.
Their own story in their own heads.
Exactly.
आगे की भी narrate करने लग गए थे. So
now they have made part 3 का story also.
आगे का क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, but we had to do it. I mean, after seeing the audience ka pyar and everything, we had to do it.
And we didn't expect honestly that people will ask for a part 2, because it was like a first thing. It's just hamara launch, so we were like, chalo, there's one, then we'll see aage kya hai. So there was no planning, there was nothing. But from the first day, jab se gana release hua tha, first hour se people were like, part 2. I know part 2 will come. I'm like, humko malum nahi hai, part 2 aane wala hai.
Yeah.
They assume, I mean.
Yeah. Definitely. And the chemistry also, it looks really now in the first part when you guys are like dancing together and when you go and take the mic and as a journalist you pretend that you're there and she answers and she has a certain look. Tab tak we don't know that you are not her boyfriend, and we also get that connection. So how did you two manage to make the chemistry look so flawless and effortless?
I think all the credit goes to Faraz, first of all, because we did a lot of workshops. And the scene that you're talking about, the journalist scene, we used to practice the scene a lot because some dialogues there, which हमने mute कर दिए गाने की वजह से, but there were actual dialogues उसमें.
Okay.
So it was more like I'm asking her. So I'll tell you the dialogues. I've never revealed the dialogue, but I'm literally asking her, "Do you love someone?"
Oh, okay.
So it's like छेड़ना कि, "Okay, do you love someone?" And she responds with.
Then I say that I mean everybody has somebody special in their life. So you don't reveal also that you are that person, but of course I mean वो mute पे है तो लोगों को वैसे नहीं समझ में आएगा, but I think we somehow like कहीं ना कहीं एक extent तक हमने एक्सप्रेशन के थ्रू वो डिलीवर किया और आई थिंक ऑडियंस तक पहुंचा. तो
and I think also on a personal level when we bonded because we both realized we are the same people, exact ditto copy of each other, but different interests. So I think that helped us with a bonding.
Yeah, I mean we didn't put like efforts. That's why it was like very natural. And I mean the whole unit was very good. So the whole environment was very good on set. That really helped us to you know.
And being first time dono ka, so I had no idea what it feels like to be on a set. So but everybody was so good. I thought I was like मेरे को घर नहीं जाना है, मेरे को यही रहना है, मैं यही रहूँगा.
Yeah, we were like that, like कि चलो यार थोड़ा visa extend होता तो हम रह जाते अभी.
But we were lucky enough कि हमारा part 2 आया and we had to go back again, shoot it, and again our experience. And I think we are blessed that way because सबको ऐसी opportunity नहीं मिलती है.
I'm sure, definitely. And it must have been very challenging because, the locations, firstly, the locations were beautiful. Each and every location that we saw in the music video was just phenomenal. And it was also very cold. I saw a BTS video jahan wo snow hone lag gaya when you were wearing like a gown and you guys went inside a tent and
my God, don't even ask me that gown thing. That was hilarious. I mean, what do I tell you only? I mean, so we were like shooting. Last day था, कौन सा day था? I mean, because वो वाला location हमें मिल नहीं रहा था. Like because वो हमारा मेन लोकेशन था वहाँ का, so हमें फाइनली एक दिन मिला कि ओके उस पे शूट कर सकते हैं. वी वर सो एक्साइटेड बेसिकली उस दिन वहाँ पे. मॉर्निंग में आई वाज वेयरिंग बहुत ग्लैमरस गाउन, रेडी टू शूट, फ्लाई, वो उड़ना था उसको हवा में. और जैसे हम सेट पे पहुंचे बारिश आ गई और पूरा जो गाउन था सब भीग गया, सब इधर उधर, like people were running इधर उधर.
I'll tell you my part of the same day. So I was sitting in my vanity. So first Kamya was shooting and vanity में बैठ के I was just chilling and I was मेरे को idea नहीं कि बाहर snowfall चालू हो गया, बारिश चालू हो गई है.
That day only?
Yeah. I was sitting inside the vanity. No, you had your shots first. I was sitting and I think half an hour baad I got out of the vanity and I saw everybody was in their tent. And I was like, all these beautiful women in one tent. And what am I doing in a vanity?
Because क्या हुआ था? बारिश आ गई थी तो सारे वहाँ पे हमारे बैकग्राउंड में जो वहाँ के आर्टिस्ट थे वो सब सारे गर्ल्स थे, राइट? तो सब एक ही टेंट था वहाँ पे, तो हम सारे एक ही टेंट पे हम सब खड़े थे बिकॉज हवा चल रही थी. इट वाज वेरी विंडी डे. So Imran Romeo came. Romeo came and he was like, यार मैं इस opportunity कैसे मिस कर सकता हूँ? मुझे यही, this is perfect place for me. So I mean we had a lot of fun also.
I was lucky enough कि जब बाहर आया तो sun was out and we were back shooting. तो मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा कब बारिश हुई and कब.
Later it was fine.
Okay. Great. And Romeo, I also saw the same BTS where you were saying that you saw someone and then you wrote the song for her and you wrote it in like an hour. So how did you manage to do that? Because it doesn't look like something that's created in a hurry.
Yeah, exactly. Even I was till date, I'm like मैं जब गाने लिखने का try करता हूँ और भी, तो nothing comes इतना easily जितना Fitur did for me. So I think all credit goes to that girl first of all, who I saw, and she's a friend of mine, and I had no feelings for her, nothing. Just one day we were just sitting and we were talking, and एकदम फिल्मी चीजें हो रही थी मेरे साथ में, स्लो मोशन में, and उसके हवा बाल हिल रहे थे, and exactly I knew कि this is something special and this is not what I think कि प्यार होता है ऐसा कुछ, but I think this is something beyond that. And जब घर आया, I was in that zone. रात भर I was in that zone, and I didn't know how to express myself. किसी के सामने किसको बोलूँ मैं, उसको ना उसको बता सकता हूँ ना किसी को बता सकता हूँ. तो I got my guitar and I had this word, Fitur word मेरे दिमाग में अटका हुआ था. And जब मैंने गाना बनाया तो Fitur easily it came out, and all I had to describe was like what happened to me that day. There's one line के हवाओं तेरी जुल्फें हवाओं से उलझे और तू सवारे. So it is literally what happened. So I think it was easy for me वो दिन लिखने के लिए, but she was the inspiration behind Tera Fitur and Deewana both.
Fantastic. And Kamya, you tell me now, you perfectly fit into the song. It looks like, it is written for you. Of course, it's written for his friend, whoever she is, but it looks like
That's
it's
a
picturized
compliment
very
for
nicely.
me. If that means I'm like as an actor, it's a compliment for me.
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Welcome. And it looks very convincing. So when you were offered the song, what was your first reaction like?
सेम आई मीन आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड जब फराज सर ने मुझे पूरा गाना सुनाया, मैंने इसकी स्टोरी सुनाई और उन्होंने फितूर का सुनाया था. एंड देन जैसे 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 वो लड़की के बारे में बता रहे थे कि कैसे 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 ये डेवलप होता जाएगा, लास्ट में उसका क्लाइमेक्स क्या है और कैसे कैसे हम स्लोली रिवील करते हैं, एकदम से रिवील नहीं करते. तो आई वाज वेरी इंट्रिग्ड स्टोरी में. एंड वहीं पे मैंने कह दिया कि सर लेट्स डू इट. एंड या देन हमने फिर हमारा प्रोसेस शुरू हो गया गाने का. I loved it basically सुनते ही, because उससे पहले मेरे पास और भी गाने आए थे पर मुझे उस वक्त नहीं करने थे, because मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था जिसमें मैं एक्ट कर पाऊँ, कुछ कुछ दिखा पाऊँ एज एन आर्टिस्ट अपना काम, क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ डांस वांस वैसा नहीं करना था. तो फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने गाना सुना, मुझे लगा नहीं इसमें कुछ करने को मिलेगा मुझे काफी अच्छा, और इसीलिए मैंने फिर हाँ कर दिया.
Fantastic. And as you clearly mentioned कि आपको acting, there are so many songs. एक तो songs ऐसे हो गए हैं, हर week इतने सारे songs आते हैं. Some are not even, some are like सुन के लगता है why did you make it? Why did you make so much energy and so much talent and all of that, And very few songs are actually there. एक तो आजकल indie music is also, very good. Label music is also very good. So at the same time, we get to see a lot of songs. Now, as I mentioned, as I opened this interview by saying that I thought it was like a short film, a musical short film,
True.
Do you think it also becomes sometimes difficult to showcase what you're trying to say in a song? Now, you two have done it beautifully, because as I said, मेरे को सब समझ आ गया, audience को सब समझ आ गया कि इसके आगे क्या होने वाला है and all of that. But was that a challenge while you guys were shooting for it?
I remember जब फराज सर के जो स्क्रिप्ट थी, तो he was so confused कि अभी कैसे करना है इसको, इतनी बड़ी मूवी की स्क्रिप्ट, how do we show in like 5-6 minutes एक गाने में. And lucky enough sir और मेरा बॉन्डिंग इतना अच्छा है कि I was like, sir मेरे गाने के पीछे, I told him everything कि मैंने किसी लड़की के लिए लिखा है सर, एंड इतने बहुत प्यार से लिखा है सर. तो sir was like, sir could feel that connection, and I told sir कि मैंने लड़की को बताया नहीं है आज तक कि मैंने गाना उसके लिए लिखा है. तो एंड सर वो मेरा पैशन समझ गए थे, एंड सर को जब स्क्रिप्ट मिली एंड गाना सुना सर ने, एंड आई थिंक वी शेयर्ड द सेम पैशन. एंड इवन काम्या व्हेन शी केम ऑन बोर्ड, हमारे पास वो एक था कि ये गाना नहीं है, इट इज लाइक अ मूवी एंड हमको पूरी परफॉर्मेंस देनी है इसमें.
और हमने तो इतना बना दिया था कि जब गाना शूट करके आए थे, मैंने कहा सर हम इतनी सी मिनट में कैसे दिखाएंगे, हमारे पास वी हैव सो मच टू शो, हमने इतना सारा शूट किया है.
लॉट ऑफ सीन जो अभी गाने में नहीं गए.
अच्छा, ओके.
लॉट ऑफ शॉट्स जो गाने में नहीं गए,
जो और लाइक अच्छे थे, बहुत सारे शॉट थे. तो
बट वी हैड टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट इट बिकॉज़ ऑलरेडी गाना 8 मिनट का हो चुका
था.
Yeah. Okay.
We actually shot a short film, by the way.
I think we have material for at least 25 minutes.
Yeah, let's release आगे का material.
Yeah. You guys can now convert it into a real musical short film.
Yeah.
25 minutes, 30 minutes, and people will actually love watching that as well.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. So lastly, now I have these few very famous Bollywood songs जिसको इंग्लिश में लिखा हुआ है. You guys have to guess. You guys are now playing individually. Let's see who wins.
Okay. Let's go.
ये जीतेगा, इसको सारे गाने आते हैं.
ये जिसके साथ भी मैं खेलती हूँ और जो कहता है ना कि ये जीतेगा, एक्चुअली वो इंसान जीत जाता है. And then we are like all shocked.
Wish me luck, okay?
Yeah. All the very best, both of you.
Yeah, let's go.
The first one is those dark eyes, those fair
तेरी काली आंखें.
Okay, Kamya gets 1 point. See, I told you. Okay, the second one is listen na, take me shopping. Listen, show me a rom-com.
जा रे मेरे शॉपिंग करा दे, बजाए चिटिया कलाइया वे.
Yeah.
How did you get that?
ऐसे थोड़ी है.
Even I'm impressed.
है ना?
Okay, fantastic.
Even
Kamya, you
I'm
are at 2. Romeo, buckle up. Now this one's for you. Okay. The bangles say it, the bracelets say it that I have become yours. Without you, my
चूड़ियां
heart.
बोले कंगना होगी तेरी साथ See,
मैंने ये भी मैंने पहले बोला था.
Yeah.
You're losing
Okay.
big time today.
So Kamya's at 3, Romeo is still at 0. So the fourth one is, at first glance, you did such magic, my heart is
पहली
yours.
नजर में कैसे जादू कर दिया
Yeah,
ये सारे romantic
Romeo
गाने इसी को
gets
आते
it.
हैं. प्यार भरे गाने इसी को आते हैं.
Okay. The fifth one is, I see God in you, what do I do?
तुझ मेरा
मेरा
पिता है
पिता
मैं
है,
चाहूँ
मैं
क्या
क्या
करूँ
Okay. No, he gets it. Romeo gets it. So 3 and 2.
I was just like half.
I know. Same Bole Chude
शाहरुख
also.
सारे
He was
गाने
just
पहले
half
बोल
late.
देता हूँ
Okay. Took my heart by making 10 excuses.
बस बहाने करके लेकर गई
No, 3 all. It's 3 all. Okay. We have 4 more. So yeah.
Wait,
Kamya,
give
you
me
can
a
do it.
time.
Okay. I'm starting now. Okay. You have come naked. What in the hell will you take? Our time will come. Okay. I'm
अपना टाइम
repeating
आएगा
it.
अपना टाइम आएगा
What?
Yes.
अपना टाइम
We said it. Apna time
नंगाई
aayega.
तो आया 2 घंटा लेके जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा अपना टाइम भी आ गया
ये तो बहुत बुरा हुआ मेरे साथ.
He's at 4, you are at 3, but we still have 3 more songs, so you can still win.
ठीक है.
Okay. This one is, the mother-in-law abuses, the brother-in-law
सास
passes.
गाली देवर जी समझा लेके
Romeo, yeah. 5 and 3. Okay,
I'm
if you get
going
these
tie.
2, it's a tie. If you get the last 2, it's a tie, Kamya. Now
Last
you
two,
have to
yeah.
get these. Tie is the best thing to have, okay? Okay. The sun started to pale, the moon started to burn.
चांद
चांद,
सूरज मध्यम सूरज हुआ मध्यम
काजोल और
I said it
Romeo
I
said
said
you said some chant song.
I said it सूरज हुआ मध्यम
Yeah, Romeo said it. Okay, so he's at 6, you are at 3. There's this last one just for formality, we'll do it. Put a stone on my heart and put makeup.
दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
साथ में बोला है.
Yeah. Okay, Kamya, you get this one. So you are at 4, he's at 6.
वो वाला था कि चलो कोई नहीं ले लो एक. तुम्हें ले लो वो भी. मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
That is fun.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so
But
much
imagine-
you two for joining in.
But imagine तीनों मेरे सही थे. उसके बाद में this guy.
Yeah, something happened. I was like, ये
जैसे
बंदी तो
शाहरुख सर
जीत
का
रही है
song है
आज.
ना, then my luck changed.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, I'll be genuinely waiting for a part 3, 4, 5, whatever you guys have. Just keep it coming on YouTube or wherever. We are waiting. And thank you so much for joining in. It was a pleasure chatting with you two.
Thank you so much for
Thank
having
you so
us.
much for
It
having.
was great fun.
Yeah,
Great fun.
we
Thank
had
you
so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank you so
bye. Take
much.
care.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.